Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create tables using HTML. So first of all, we will go to File and create a new file. Let's save it. In order to save it, you can go to File and click on Save, or you can press Ctrl S also. So give some file name. So let us give it as table.1.html. You can give any file name, just give the extension .html. Okay. So after saving the file, type exclamation mark and tab. We are writing this HTML code in Atom editor. So it comes automatically, the structure comes automatically. So in case you don't know how to install Atom, I have already shown you how to install Atom for HTML and CSS in the first video of this playlist. I will give the link in the description. So here let us change the title of my web page. Let us write it as tables. Then inside the body, let's create one heading using h1 and we will write tables. Okay. Now if you want to create table, you need to use the tag table. So just go click table, so automatically it is coming. Now inside the table we are having few tags. Okay, so table is the first tag that you need to write. Then inside the table there is something called table head, that is head of the column. Okay, suppose I want to create a table having 3 columns. Okay, so how many table heads will be there? For table heads we write th, table header. So in the first table header, suppose I want to write name of flowers. Okay, then in the second table head, let me show you how you can give some image also in the cells in the table, and then let's write down color. Okay, so let's save it and let's see how my website, how my web page looks. Let's see. So first of all, I will have to go to the place where I have saved my particular web page. So the name that I have given for my web page is table 1. So this is my table 1. Double click. So you see tables 1 header I have used, and this is the particular table that I have created. But right now I can see the table heads, but I can't see any table here. Why? Because by default the border of my table is, there is no border. So I will add some border here. I'll just write down border equal to suppose 1. Save it. Now you refresh it. So now you can see some borders out. Now after adding the writing the table heads, now we are going to suppose create 3 rows. Okay, so the first row, so inside the table headers I have created. Now first row, I'm going to include data in the first row, so I'll have to write tr stands for table row. Okay, so inside my table row, in the first row, inside the first cell, what I need to write? I suppose need to write the name of some flowers. Okay. So for that I will write down td. Td stands for table data. So inside the table data, that is the first cell, I need to write down the name of some flowers. Suppose I am going to write lily. Now second cell, in the second cell what I need to write? I need to give some image. Suppose I want, because I want to show you how you can include image in your table. So I will be writing img. Okay, now what picture to give here? So I have already told you can give the picture, you can have the picture of a flower and save it inside your folder where you have saved all the files, or otherwise you can get the link of the image from online also. So let's see how we can get it from online. So what I can do is that I I will go to Google. Okay, so suppose I want a picture of lily. So lily flower png file, png image. So here lots of images are coming. Suppose go to images. So whatever image you want, you just take it. Suppose let's take a small image. Okay, suppose this is the image that I want, so I will just right click and copy image address, and after copying image address, here I will write. Okay, save it. So this is my TD, and one more table cell is there. So here inside this one more table cell is there. Here I will write down the color. So what is the color of my flower? White. Save it. Let's see how it looks. So you see this flower has come up. So here I have included my flower name, then this is the image, and then this is the color that I have given, it is white. So like that, if I want to create another row, so again I will go there. For again creating the next row, I will just write down tr. So inside the tr, inside my first table cell, td, what I will include another flower. So let it be, suppose, lotus. Okay, now I will then in the second cell I need to give an image. So img. So this time let me show you how I can save an image in my folder and just display it. So here again you go and search some flower, what I gave, lotus. So lotus flower has come up. Just select whatever image you want. Just select it. It is too big, we want a small. So this is the flower that I want to give, suppose. So now this time I'm going to show you how we can save the image. Just click on the image. So I'm going to show you how you can save the image inside your folder and display it. Okay, so just right click and save image. Okay, so you need to save the image in the folder where rest of your files are present. So inside here just give some name, lotus. Save it. Okay, so here you see this is the image I was talking about. So here you just give lotus.png. Okay, save it. So this is how you can save image like this also. Then the third cell, what it is going to contain, it is going to contain the colors. Let us give a string. Okay, save it, then run it. So now you see this image has also popped up. So this is the image where I have taken the address thing online, and this is the image where I have saved it in my folder where I have written all my, where I have kept all my HTML files and then displayed it. Okay, so this is how you can create tables. Okay, and now you can make this images clickable also. Now I will see, if I scroll over here, I can click the image. Now suppose I want that if I click on this particular image, I want to go to another web page or something like that. So what I can do, I can make this image clickable also. So how to do it? Suppose I want to make this image clickable. So go to the code. So this was my image, or let's make the other image clickable. Okay, suppose I want to make this image clickable. So what I will do is that I will add something called a. Okay, a stands for hyperlink. That is, I want to um, add hyperlink. Okay, so slash a will come here. So inside this I need to give the page, or if you want to go to Google you will have to give the link of Google. So suppose I want to go to Google. When I click this image, so just this is the page, suppose I want to display. So copy this and paste it here. Okay, then save it. Go here and refresh. Now if I scroll over here, you see a clickable icon is coming here. So but here nothing is coming, so just click here. So when you will click here, you will see that you go to Google page. Similarly, you can, if you want to go to some other page that you have already created, so in that case, in place of here google.com, you need to write down the name of your, suppose when I click this image, suppose I want to go to, suppose this image.html. so what I will write, instead of Google, now this time I will write image.html. like that also we can do. Just refresh it. So this time if I click here, we go to this web page. So this is how you can create tables in your HTML file. So in case you like the video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.